Keep it straight. How do you like your service, buddy? A1 service? Slow, so you don't wreck the bumper. This thing's fucking sick. Yep, you're good.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. So right now we are at BTR Blood Type Racing. They are doing the tune. I recently acquired a 350Z that's single turbo. So Sam and the guys here are putting that together. They actually just finished up. So I'm gonna include a couple runs and clips and everything. Maybe some street driving. But it's fucking sick. Car made a fuck ton of power. I'm super excited. But I'll explain everything, how I ended up here, what's been going on, all of that coming up shortly. But thing's fucking sick. Oh, ain't that some bullshit? What the fuck? Just finished everything up. The car made 618 wheel horsepower and 632 torque. We're about to go street drive it, but my God, this thing is nuts. So the story goes, I sold my G37, sorry, not G37, it was a G35. 7 body style. But anyways, I sold the car for $7,700 to a buddy of mine, Santiago. Got a killer deal. I put like almost 9K into that car, and I ended up buying from a mutual friend a 350Z. It was black, beautiful. I'll drop a couple pictures. Super clean car. Had 134K miles on it, and I ended up driving for a couple weeks. I was gonna build it, start back up on the channel, do everything, you know, from the ground up, suspension, everything, because everything was stock. So I worked at a shop for about 3 months, and this guy that was going there, his name was Cody. He had this 350Z single turbo, and he ran into issues. He maxed out the stock MAF sensor, the GTR MAF sensor, which is the R35 one. So he ended up going Link ECU. I was getting tuned there at the shop that I was at, and then he works for a performance shop. I'm not gonna drop the name of the performance shop or anything, but he worked for another shop, and the wiring that he did was a little bit smaller, so the car ended up, the wiring caught fire and pretty much dead in the water. Car sat for a couple months, and he posted it. He posted it for sale for $8,000, and I was like, all right, this car is way too clean, my car. I was like, I could post this thing up for $8,500 and try to sell it. I didn't think anything of it. I didn't think it was gonna happen. It all literally fell right into my lap. Listed the car, a couple hours go by, and the 350Z sold. Told him I had cash in hand, I'll go pick it up. What's this guy? Oh, hang on 1 second.
Oh. Let me get rid of that.
We got Sam here at BTR.
If I can see
Put in work today. How was VQ things? Did you have fun?
Same as any other car, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, it's just.
She's just gonna pull up the dyno graph for you in a second. Gotta have the proof.
There you go.
Alright, so I'm getting kind of a weird glare.
Yeah, the screen's not the best. I printed it out so we can see the printout.
Alright, well actually he has the printout, but it was, what was it?
So on 93 we did 506, 491.
Okay.
And then on E85 with low content, we're looking at 618, 632.
Nice. Oh yeah. So where was I? So I sold the 350Z. Guy came, brought cash, and I hit up Cody. I'm like, look, dude, you and I both know what you have in the car. I want the car. I have $8K cash in hand. I'm not gonna haggle you. I'm not gonna try. Oh, thank you. For sure. So I'm like, I'm not gonna haggle you. I'm not gonna, you know, cut you down or anything. Like 8K. Here's 8K cash. Done deal. I'll pick the car up. I'll take it home. Billy K, good buddy of mine, came and picked up the car for me, hooked me up. We ended up taking it to Sid at MXPI. Him and the guys took care of me. We ended up fixing the wiring issue and everything. And then I brought the car over here to BTR to get tuned. But I have no idea how it happened. I really got lucky with this one, and it's sick. I'm so excited. So there's the final numbers: 506.26 and 491. That was on 93. On E85, I was probably about E60 in mixture. So it wasn't fully 85 because we still had some 93 in the tank. So that was 618 and 632 torque. So he said roughly it'd be about 640 when I have a full tank of E85. But the Link ECU, it's really cool. So it actually, it's run on flex fuel. So it can detect the amount of E85 and 93 and kind of change itself to run efficiently. I don't know the logistics about it because I'm not a tuner myself, but it's pretty rad shit.
That's the daily, dog.
Yo, pop the hood. Pop the hood, dog.
Good dog. Gang. I don't know how to fucking open this piece.
It's right by the. There you go.
Yes, sir. The DE. Look at that boy.
BQ35 DE, no shit.
Oh,
Not a bad way to spend $25,000.
okay.
Too bad I bought it for 8K. Hey!
That's
Yeah.
fucking great. Yes, sir.
So yeah, it just has like
About to boogie down the
double
road.
din. It's gutted. I gotta get the interior for it and everything. Link ECU's down there on the floor. I'm gonna make everything mounted up all nice and pretty. About to take this man for a ride.
Yes, sir. About to see this thing boogie
He's got a
down the
fast
road.
Evo though, so it won't impress him too much.
Oh,
We'll
no,
see.
This thing will impress me.
We'll see.
Dude, I hope I don't drop this fucking thing.
You might want to sit back a little bit, or I'll make you sit back. One or the other.
How much boost are we on right now?
This is 19 pounds.
19 pounds.
I made 618, 632. So you know how it sounds kind of like a straight pipe EQ.
Yeah.
So that's the fucking cool part. Is because it's an open dome out the bottom. So
Oh, really?
People think that's a fucking straight pipe EQ, but it's literally fucking ape shit. So let's go this way.
Fucker's loud.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Yo, what the fuck, dog? You barely moved.
That was like quarter throttle, man.
Yo, that is nutty, bro.
Oh man.
That's quarter throttle?
Yeah.
Yo, that's fucked up.
Oh,
I'm
man.
surprised you grip with these tires.
Yeah.
I was gonna think instant rev limiter.
Oh no.
Damn, boy.
Oh, looks pretty good.
Oh my squirrely dog! Hell no! That bitch goes crazy.
I'm not giving her the beans because it's a little fucking slippery.
Yeah, especially
So,
over
like-
there by Prairie, it's fucking all
Yeah.
dust. That's where I dumped the concrete, boy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this thing's crazy. What turbo's in here?
It's a GTX 3571R. It's a Pulsar like Amazon turbo. Like, it's
Really?
like 650 bucks.
No way.
Yeah.
And the thing just fucking takes it.
Yeah. So this car's got 700 plus in it, but we tuned it down.
Retarded. Yes, sir. Yeah, this fucker's loud, bro.
How does that work? You just put your foot on the brake.
So what you do is where does boost hit on this car?
4K.
4K. So I like to do it a little above 4K then. So you hold the gas down just a little bit. You hit the brake. You kind of have to level it out. So once you hear, you have an external on this.
Yeah.
So I mean, some people do full throttle on brake boosting. I only do a half throttle. So as soon as you hear boost, write that down. Write that down. And then you hold the brake and then. Fuck, man! My goddamn man gave me whiplash in this bitch. Holy fuck, dude.
Something like that?
Yeah, bro. This thing has... Dude, my Evo has nothing on this, bro. Like every time you get on it, I'm like, okay, that's it. And then all of a sudden it gets more, and then it's just fucking... Bro, it's like someone just takes my chest and just throws me back.
Yeah.
Yeah, boost kicks in fucking hard, bro. Dude, this thing's gonna be a fucking highway monster.
We're gonna make one more round. We're gonna go Facebook Live, so turn that off.
Yes, sir.
So hit the middle.
Woohoo! Shooting rocks and all! Hell yeah! Oh yeah, dude, you're fucking, I see you post up the fucking black one. I'm like, bro, I was like, what are you doing? And then I see the comments and you're like, yeah, I'll get something soon. Like, I gotta take care of some personal things.
Personal things.
And I was like, dude, he's getting out of the car game. Like, I'm fucking salty, you know?
Yeah.
Next thing you know, 3 hours later, I see you with this. And I was like, bro, fuck me, man. This thing is fucking rowdy. Yes, sir. And then he picks it up. And he's telling me what it's gonna make, and I'm like, bro, you might as well fucking just bust me now in the fucking Z with the Evo. he's like, oh yeah, I'm coming for your Evo. I'm like, oh fuck me. So now my plans are different this winter. It's time to fucking up the boost and bigger turbo, so I don't get walked by a fucking Z. This is.
Could you imagine being like a Hellcat or like a
dude? This thing will walk.
or like a Z01 or something, and you're like, oh, it's just a straight pipe 350Z.
Yeah, what's
like, all right, let's run it.
This thing's fucking. Everyone's
So
this thing's
this is gonna get a new bumper. I'm either gonna rotate this down to the bottom, or I'm going to just do like one of those little turbo guards. Not the actual turbo guard, but like actually have like a filter on it. So I don't want to get rocks and tire debris and shit in there. So new bumper. It's gonna get either paint or wrapped. I haven't figured it out yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I love the blue. The blue and yellow looks pretty cool. So I might do that. Or just say fuck it and wrap it. We'll see. But I'm gonna do the KBD front lip, the Ings kit, the Ings side, and the Ings rear. Just because I like the way that the car looks. I'm not gonna go too much lower. I have coilovers for this car, but the dump and everything, you might be able to see it. Maybe not. I'll check it out later.
Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah, bro, that thing's fucking nasty, bro.
It's pretty low, but it sounds fucking sick. I don't think I'm gonna run a full exhaust. I like the dump.
No way, bro. Shoot that fucker out the hood.
We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, this is a new purchase, guys. I'm super happy with it. And then again, I can't thank Sam enough over here. BTR, he's walking in. Absolutely killed it, him and his guy with the dyno. So if you got a Genesis, check these guys out. They are the truth. Don't let anybody tell you different. Don't let the forums or reviews or bullshit say anything differently. These guys are the truth. They're gonna get into BQ cars pretty soon. He took on this one because it was a Link ECU car, and they're very familiar with Link and how Link works and all the tunability, stuff. So I felt very confident in them because they felt very confident in themselves. So I'm glad that I went with these guys. Sam's car out here. This thing is fucking sick. It was at SEMA a couple years back. Thing is way too fucking cool. It's not aired out right now, but it's on air. Super sick. So it does feel good to be back after about 12 months. Took a lot of time off for personal reasons, whether that was changing shop locations, changing employers, all kinds of stuff. So I kind of just took a step back from YouTube, focused on me, but now I'm right. Now I'm back in the right headspace. I'm gonna start making more videos. I have coilover video. FDF is on board for this year, and a lot of other stuff that I'm trying to work out. I'm starting a new shop here pretty soon. I actually got hired by Sound Performance, so I start with them end of the month. But I'm gonna try to get out a video once a week and kind of get back to it. It's been a real fun figuring out how to edit and really get back into this. I had a lot of fun making this video. But last and foremost, I want to say thanks again to Nolan. He's over at Alpha Speed. He remote tuned the car. Sam at BTR for getting me on the dyno, super quick. I hit him up like last minute, and he's like, "Dude, bring it, let's go." I really appreciate you, Sam. And then also Sid from MXPI and all of his, all his techs that are there. I'm not a big wiring guru. I never claimed to be. It's always been my kryptonite, but I'm working on it right now. So I'm gonna do a lot more wiring at Sound. They're gonna kind of show me the ropes and really help push me. So I'm really excited to learn that. But Sid took it on. His guys knocked it out. I didn't want to do myself just because I could have a barbecue. I didn't want to have too small a wire or not hook it up right and catch the car on fire and be out of car. So appreciate you, Sid, and everybody involved. Billy K for the toes. You guys are awesome. I could not have done any of this without you. And Joey for coming out, getting his first ride along, and scaring the shit out of him. Love you guys all, and thanks again. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.